Hey everyone, today I'll be going over a very easy Leetcode problem, 1550, 3 consecutive odds. So we're given some array and we're tasked with finding out if there ever exists 3 consecutive odds in this array. If we find it, then we return true immediately. If we never find it, then we return false. So I'm going to show a way that's like just simple and just very simple. And I'm going to just show a little cute way how to do it because this is a very easy problem. It doesn't mean I'm not going to go over it though. So let's have a streak here, and this streak is just going to be the current number of consecutive odds that we have. And then we're going to go through each integer in array, and if I is odd basically, so basically if I and 1, or we can go I mod 2 is equal to 1, that means that it's odd, so we can go streak plus plus, and then right here, if streak is equal to 3, we can just return true right away because we know that we have a streak of 3. And then else we can reset the streak because that means this is an even, so the streak is now broken. And then at the end we could just return false. Why do we return false right here? It means we never found the streak, right? There was never 3 in a row that were odd. And then we can go ahead and run this, and it should actually be fine and everything. We could just go ahead and submit it. So it's actually very simple. Talking about time and space on this. Time is O of n because we're going through every number once. Talking about space, it's constant because we're not using anything beyond this streak, which is just a constant space. So yeah. So then let's talk about another way to do this, which is just a fun way because it's such a short problem, and I wanted to make a video about this. So you can actually just, instead of having like if-else logic, you could just simply go streak is equal to streak plus 1 times basically I mod 2, or we can go I and 1, which is just a binary math version of doing I mod 2. So yeah, you could do this, and basically why that works is because if this evaluates to 0, which means it's even, it'll reset streak back to 0. If not, it'll be streak plus 1 times 1, which will just be, incrementing the streak. And then we can go if streak is equal to 3, return true. So just a shorter way of doing it. I'm not even sure why I made this video, but yeah. So you could do it this way too, and looks like it for some reason even uses less space. So yeah, same time and space, and hope this made sense. Short video. Yeah, thank you for watching.